Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something special for you, the all-new 2025 BMW 8 Series. Let's get started. In today's world where SUVs dominate the roads, BMW has unveiled the 2025 BMW 8 Series, a true testament to the timeless appeal of a grand tourer, combining elegance, power, and innovation. This sleek coupe promises an unparalleled driving experience. With its striking design, cutting-edge features, and impressive performance, the 2025 8 Series redefines luxury on four wheels. Join us as we delve deeper into what makes this vehicle stand out from the crowd and explore its potential impact on the automotive industry. But before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive news. Starting off with the exterior design, the 2025 BMW 8 Series makes an instant impression. Building upon the success of its predecessor, this new iteration boasts a bolder, more athletic appearance. The signature kidney grille has been refined, now sporting a darker finish and featuring slender vertical bars that accentuate its width. Paired with the redesigned bumpers and lower air intakes, the front end exudes a sense of sophistication and power. In profile, the 2025 8 Series maintains its sleek silhouette with clean lines and a sloping roofline that pays homage to the classic Grand Tourers of yesteryears. The muscular fenders and sporty diffuser at the rear add to its dynamic stance. The standard 20-inch alloy wheels fill out the wheel arches, giving the car a planted look. To complete the aesthetic transformation, the 20258 series is available in a range of eye-catching colors, allowing owners to personalize their vehicles and make a bold statement on the road. Moving on to the interior, stepping inside the 2025 BMW 8 Series is like entering a sanctuary of luxury and iconiness. The handcrafted interior combines premium materials with cutting-edge technology to create a truly immersive experience. Supple leather upholstery, polished wood trim, and aluminum inlays envelop the cabin, providing a sense of opulence that rivals the best in its class. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW 8 Series is expected to offer a range of powerful yet efficient engine options. While specific details are still under wraps, BMW's renowned lineup of inline-6 and V8 engines should provide ample power for a thrilling driving experience. The 840i model is likely to be equipped with a turbocharged inline-6 engine, delivering a healthy dose of horsepower and immediate torque. For those seeking unbridled performance, the M850i xDrive variant will satisfy with a high-output twin-turbo V8 engine capable of blistering acceleration and a heart-pounding exhaust note. All-wheel drive will be available for enhanced traction and handling, allowing the 8 Series to conquer winding roads with ease. The 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, providing a smooth and refined driving experience. BMW's commitment to innovation is evident in the array of advanced technology integrated into the 2025 8 Series. The latest eDrive infotainment system boasts natural language processing and machine learning capabilities, providing a personalized and intuitive user experience. Standard features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, as well as Amazon Music streaming. The optional BMW digital key allows owners to unlock and start their vehicles using their smartphones. In terms of driver assistance, the 20258 series is equipped with BMW's Driving Assistant Professional Suite, which includes features such as lane keeping, blind spot detection, and emergency stop assistance. These advanced systems work in unison to enhance safety and provide peace of mind on the road. The 2025 8 Series continues BMW's tradition of pushing the boundaries of design and engineering excellence. With its bold styling, luxurious appointments, and powerful performance, this Grand Tourer is sure to turn heads and elevate the driving experience to new heights. Whether cruising along coastal highways or conquering mountain passes, the 2025 BMW 8 Series promises an unforgettable journey. The 2025 BMW 8 Series represents a harmonious blend of luxury, performance, and innovation. Its exterior design exudes sophistication and power, while the interior pampers occupants with the finest materials and cutting-edge technology. The range of powerful engines ensures an exhilarating drive no matter the chosen variant. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 8 Series starts at approximately $90,000 for the base coupe model. In conclusion, the 2025 BMW 8 Series stands as a true embodiment of luxury, power, and innovation. From its breathtaking design to its advanced technology and impressive performance, this Grand Tourer raises the bar to new heights. Whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring winding coastal roads, the 2025 8 Series promises an unforgettable driving experience. While pricing may be a consideration for some, for those who seek the ultimate driving machine, the 2025 BMW 8 Series is the epitome of automotive excellence. Its combination of timeless elegance and modern innovation makes it a standout choice for discerning drivers who appreciate the finer things in life. So there you have it, folks, the 2025 BMW 8 Series. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of luxury automobiles. And we'll catch you in the next one. As we've seen, the 2025 BMW 8 Series is a compelling blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Its updated design, lavish interior, and potent engine options cater to the desires of those seeking a grand touring experience. While its price tag positions it in the realm of luxury automobiles, the 2025 8 Series offers a compelling package for enthusiasts and luxury seekers alike. So, what are your thoughts on the 2025 BMW 8 Series? Do you find its design captivating and its features enticing? Feel free to share your opinions and join the conversation in the comments section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this stunning Grand Tourer. Thank you for tuning in to our video today. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive trends and reviews. We would love to have you back for more exciting videos. Take care and stay tuned for more updates.